Why don't you get... Why don't you get that camera to the photography?
Thank you.
Lucy, thank you. It's... Lucy's going, oh no, she's gonna get your coat, she's gonna do it. I don't think she liked that. Oh, look at Lucy. She's having a good time. I can hardly see her, Dad. Eddie, I can hardly see her. Only the head. Okay.
You're an Indian girl. Should I wet her a little bit? Yeah, wet her a little.
Alrighty. Just the feet, that's it.
No, Dad, go down.
I'm not sure she quite like that.
Dad, Mom said put her down to the waist.
No, I didn't say that.
Yes, do it.
Stop it, Dominique. Don't put... Lucy! Oh, it started raining, Eddie.
Oh, no.
Hi, Lucy!
Wait, Dad, let go. Wait, Dad, put her up like that and let her go. Watch.
Lucy!
It ran overboard.
Does she like that?
No.
She might say, what did they do to me today?
Oh, gee. Can't believe it.
Yeah. How your birthday, Eddie? Put it over here. Hi, Lucy. Did you go for a swim?